Accord Party chairman sacked in Akwa-Ibom State. Rising from an extraordinary state executive meeting with the 31 chapters of chairmen of the party, a vote of no confidence has been passed on the erstwhile chairman, Engineer Martins Inyang Ansah. In August 5, 2023, some members of the executive petitioned the national chairman of the party, Alhaji Nalado, over gross misconduct, anti-party activities, and abuse of office by Engineer Martins Inyang Ansah. Investigations revealed that he frustrated the early release of tags made available by INEC meant for party agents during the last elections to fulfill his merchandise agreement over a porridge of beans. Winning even his unit as the state chairman was not his priority. That Mr. Martins deliberately withheld the money donated by various candidates of the party for election logistics. He could not account for the millions of naira the national executives of the party and the governorship candidates sent to the state for election logistics. He also encouraged the defection of members to other parties and has consistently been involved in anti-party activities. Mr. Martins is also said to have embezzled the 3.1 million naira given to him by the governorship candidate, Engineer Dr. Kofi, MFR, meant for the party's Congress. The leadership of the party further alleged that after the elections, Martins clandestinely handpicked members of his church to unseat the sitting officers in the party without reference to the state working committee. The purported party congress he organized was a mirage, as there was none. He was said to have also picked his church members for positions. By trickery, he made his wife the candidate of the party in Akwa-Ibom Northwest Senatorial District, only as a trade-off for monetary gains. As a state coalition officer, he did not tender the results for the governorship election in the state. The state executives, however, demanded that Mr. Martins Inyang step aside for the sake of peace, as all evidence showed that the party has no future with him at the helms of affairs. A vote of no confidence was therefore passed on Mr. Martins Inyang Ansah, and further disciplinary action recommended to National Executive Council. Lastly, the party recommended a 7-man caretaker committee to run the affairs of the party for a period of 6 months before a new Congress gets organized. The committee members are Honorable Anakin Johnson as chairman, Bishop Eric Etukakban, Elder Imobong E. Edun, Mr. Udwa Clement Bassi, Samuel Eshet Akban, Honorable Ubokulo Paul, Honorable Abasifreke Thompson. The caretaker committee is geared to strengthen membership in the party and work towards reconciliation within the party before the next Congress is held to produce a substantive leadership for the party at the state level. In Lagos, Jennifer Mosu reporting for News Buster TV.